guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a review on the Hart tires, the 275 40/20 red tires. Now it's kind of windy, so excuse the wind, and my car's dirty. It's been damn raining. But so far so good. As you can see, tires still looking new. I've done a couple burnouts, but not too many. But as far as traction, like, it's been raining real bad lately, and I haven't had any issues with traction, because when I had the 245s on here, I didn't have any traction. No traction at all. And to tell you what kind of tires it is, again, as you see, we got the Hart's LH5. So if you're in the market to upgrade your tires, especially if you got a Scatpack, man, you gotta get at least some 275s on your car, bro. I got an RT and I got 275s on my damn car. And with those Scatpacks, man, all that power, bro, you gotta get you some 275s quick, or you're gonna be a sad puppy when you lose control of that damn car. But again, my car is filthy. I'm actually getting ready to go wash it. But I just wanted to do a quick review of the tires. Haven't had any issues with rolling. People were saying, oh, you got 275s on the 20x8. You know, the wheel is going to roll. I haven't had any issues as far as that. You know what I'm saying? When I do my burnouts or I'm taking curves, all I get is traction. I don't have any issues with rolling, the tires rolling or whatever the heck they talking about. But yeah, man. Hart tires, they you know, the same company that make Lexanis make these tires. The same damn tires, they just cost a little less than the Lexani tires. So definitely look at these tires, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can order these tires for your car. Now I know my car's dirty, so the tires not looking as good as they should. So what I'll do is I'll throw a clip in this video with the car cleaned up and with the tires all shined up, so you can get a better look at how the tires look, you know, when they're clean and all that. But again, the tread is nice. I have plenty of grip, no issues with traction. Tires stay inflated. Really don't have to put any air in the tires, even when it's cold. Because for some reason, when it gets really cold, tire pressure drops. That sounds like a hill. The tire pressure drops, but so far I haven't had that issue. The pressure's been staying like it's supposed to, and yeah, man, no issues with the tires, man, the 275s. And I think I have about 8,000 miles on these tires so far, and no issues, man, no issues at all. So that's the end of this video, man. I just wanted to do a quick review of my tires. If this is your first time joining my channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.